So you say I was going over 35 miles per hour as well, over speed humps? You don't agree with me? We know how the police work.
What are you trying to prove? I don't understand
You know the police work?
I don't understand
I'm trying
what
to
you're
prove
trying
that
to
it's a
prove.
lie. That's what I'm trying to prove.
What's the lie? Stopping a car?
No, it's saying I'm going 35 miles per hour over speed humps.
Right. If you got a tracker in your car that don't let you go over 35.
All right, guys, if there's one thing I like about the UK, is how the people talk to them bobbies. You guys are absolutely gonna love this video. This video comes to you from a channel called Rick Will Investigate. I'll drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get ready, folks, you're absolutely gonna love this one.
Police station, okay?
Can you tell me I've been pulled over, please?
Yeah. I'm checking your ID.
You're checking my ID,
Check whether you got insurance. The car belongs to you.
but you can do that on your radio.
How would I know who's driving?
But you must have a reason for
Yeah,
pulling me
you're
over.
driving. You're going way too
you
fast.
were going a bit too fast,
How
mate.
fast was I going?
Going well over 35 miles an hour.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Well, it's your word against mine, isn't it? But I'm telling you, you were.
Well, I wasn't.
You were, because we saw the way you were going over the speed bump, sir.
No.
Right, anyway, pass your driving licence.
Yeah, I will, but what I'm
Pass
saying...
it over there. I've explained to you why under the Road Traffic Act I can stop any vehicle I want on the road.
Yeah, but-
and I'm supposed to speak to you about your manner of driving.
Yeah, but I wasn't for a start, so that's an excuse.
Right,
and I
okay.
asked your colleague why was I being pulled over, and that's the first thing he would have said. But he did not say that. He said he's asking me for my ID.
Yeah.
And now you've just said I'm speeding over speed
Right,
humps.
we can argue about this all day long.
I'm
Right?
not arguing, I'm telling you a fact.
Right.
You're telling me I'm speeding over speed humps.
You are going too
and I
fast
asked-
down that road. It's a residential
No.
street and you're going too fast.
You can't prove that, and that's a lie. for
Right,
starters.
it's not a lie.
Of course it is.
It's not a lie.
How fast was I going?
I just told you over 35 miles an hour.
Over speed humps?
Yeah. Mate,
Are
trust
you-
me,
are
I
you-
was
are you-
behind you.
are
I saw
you-
you
are
turn
you
left
being
and I'm
serious?
behind you. You were going over 35
I'm
miles an
going
hour.
over 35 miles
were,
over
yeah.
speed humps.
My friend,
Please.
we don't know where. We need to check your ID, make sure your car belongs to you. You got insured and all that stuff.
I think you're just talking a
I
lot.
don't know if you're trying to intimidate us with the phone, etc. But everything we do is recorded anyway, mate.
But
So,
listen, mate,
I've
because I'm just
explained to
saying you're a liar, that's all.
you. Really?
Straightforward, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you you're not. I'm not, and I'm telling you
No,
were
you're
speeding.
talking crap.
Am I?
Yeah.
All
Who
right,
can do
carry on.
35 miles per hour over speed bumps?
Well, clearly you were,
The car will
mate.
be smashed up.
Really?
Here you go, mate.
Cheers.
So you say I was going over 35 miles per hour as well, over speed humps? You don't agree with me? We know how the police
What are you
work.
trying to prove? I don't understand.
You know the police
Huh?
work.
I don't
I'm
understand
trying
what
to
you're
prove
trying
that
to
it's a
prove.
lie. That's what I'm trying to prove.
What's the lie? Stopping a car?
No, it's saying I'm going 35 miles per hour over speed humps.
Right.
Come
If
on,
you got a
please.
tracker in your car that don't let you go over 35.
Have I got what?
If you got a restricted speed restriction that
Oh,
don't
come
let
on,
you go over
that's
35.
just crap, man.
That's what I'm saying. It's
That's
our
crap.
word against yours. That's what you're saying.
No, it's not even word against word, just talking rubbish. That's what it is, you know what I mean? If it was the truth, then I'd understand. Oh, you can do 35 miles per hour over speed bumps. You'd have no car left.
I don't know. 35 miles ain't that fast as such.
No, it is. To be going over speed humps, it is. Like, pam.
We're just going around in circles. We're not
Oh, no, 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 no,
we're
no,
not proving anything
no, no,
yet.
no, no. I'm not going right. You are. I'm going in straight lines. I'm getting straight to the
really.
point.
You
I
can-
am.
Well,
You're going around in
You
circles.
don't have to agree with me.
Obviously, I'm not agreeing with you. Sorry. Hello? Yeah, imagine I've been stopped by police. They're saying I went 35 miles per hour over speed bumps.
I think I just saw.
Why, can you hang the phone up for a second?
Just one second, my friend. Just one second.
Wait,
I just saw screwdriver. I thought.
What's
A screwdriver here.
Why have you got a screwdriver inside your car?
I was fixing stuff with it.
When?
So what do the cops do, folks, when they don't have anything to charge you with? They're gonna look for something. They find a screwdriver in this guy's car and they start hassling him about it. Unbelievable, folks. Keep watching.
What do you mean when?
I'm asking you when.
What do you think I'm doing with it?
I don't know. I'm
What
asking you a
about
question.
Screwdriver.
Yeah. I'm asking you why you've got it on you.
I'm fixing stuff on
It's
the
quite
car.
easily
Right,
accessible,
when?
isn't it?
Eh?
When?
What do you mean when?
Right. A quite simple question. When were you fixing stuff
That's
on your
ridiculous.
car?
What are you trying to say about the screwdriver?
I'm not trying to say anything. I'm asking you a question.
I'm telling you, I'll use it on the car.
Right. When?
When? Whenever I feel like using it on the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you want to start being silly buggers, right? You're not allowed to keep points or blades or anything sharp
Oh,
in
you're
the easily accessible in the
Okay.
vehicle. Okay. So bear in mind, you know everything. I suggest you keep it in the boot of the car.
What are you trying to get all arty about? Do you
I'm
not
not.
like the colour of my skin?
Oh, mate,
So
I'm
why are you
bored of
pushing
it.
up in my face?
I'm bored.
Why are you pushing in
All
my
you
face
ever
for?
do-
You're coming in my private space
I'm not.
now.
I'm trying to explain to you
No,
why I've
you're
asked you
coming
a
in my
question.
private space. You're getting all irritable.
Right, you're putting that phone right in my private
Well, of course
space.
I am. You've got yours as well.
Yeah, but not in your private space, is
You've
it?
got mine's the same place as yours. Yours is on your shoulder. Mine's on my shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Argue me all day
I
you
don't
want,
need
mate.
to argue with you. I just want to go about my business.
Okay, right, fine.
That's all I want to do,
cool.
mate. Go about my merry way.
So you think it's okay to keep a screwdriver in your door?
Oh,
now?
come on, officer, man. It's just a screwdriver.
Just
It's
a
not a big
screwdriver.
bladed knife, is it? I'm not going to go around and kill anyone with that, am I?
Don't know.
What am I going to do with that? A little small screwdriver.
Still got a point on it, though, isn't it?
Where's the point?
It's got a point on it.
What's the point?
Are you serious?
It's not. It's a thing. It's a flat top.
What? So,
What's that going to do?
Is that pointed? Did you say it's
That's
pointed?
flat.
Right.
It's flat.
If I put that into somebody, would it go through their skin?
You'd have to push it pretty hard, wouldn't you?
Okay. Argue with me with everything I say. You're not meant to keep stuff like this in the vehicle
Oh,
unless it's for a
please.
reason.
That's for the engine.
For the engine.
Yeah, of course
What
it
are
is.
you using the engine for that?
You got to tighten stuff. Recently, I can even show you. I've had engine leaks in there.
Right.
That you
And
got the
I've asked
arm.
you about 5 times. When were you doing that?
It doesn't
You
matter
it
when
5
I'm
minutes
doing it.
ago?
I'm telling you
My
what's it
friend,
for.
what happens is
I'm telling you what it's for.
People doing
Sorry,
road
mate,
rage.
sorry, mate, sorry,
listen,
sorry.
I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to explain it.
Yeah, but you're just talking rubbish now. I'm telling you what it's for.
Listen to anything you say anyway.
What are you looking for? There's nothing in there.
Any more articles? Any more sharp
Don't
items?
stop looking for excuses, man. Look, let me show you. Look, see that? Can I show you?
Show me what?
You want to see something, don't you? So I'm showing you. See that? Can you not see?
Yeah,
That's
I
been
can.
used recently.
Yeah.
Right, there you
But
go.
when?
Can you not see that's new? That's pretty fresh, isn't it?
You're not answering the question, are you?
Look, I'm showing you the
What,
evidence.
you telling me?
Listen, I'm showing you the
Was
evidence.
it 10 minutes
Look, mate,
ago?
Look, I'm showing you the evidence, what it's being used for. You can see it, that's
Look,
fresh.
look, I've seen it.
Right, so
yeah?
what are you still questioning me
Because
for?
I'm asking you, was this 10 minutes ago?
Why are you coming back in my space for?
Because you won't answer the question.
I'm telling you.
You've got a constant
Oh,
argument,
you're just
but you
like
won't answer the
talking for
question.
no reason. That's what it's for. That's your
Right,
answer.
Okay, right, fine. Well, you don't keep it in the car door, do you?
Well, that's your answer.
You don't drive. Drive along. You don't do it while
That's
you're driving,
your
do you?
answer. You've got your answer.
Okay, well, it's not the answer, is it?
So what you said? What is it for? And I showed you.
Yeah, and I've asked you when you did it. As usual, you just give me
I
another
can
argument.
say it was like whenever, but that's what it was for.
Right, fine. But why'd you keep it in there then?
It's not why do I keep it in there. That's what it was for.
Oh my God.
Mate, we're going on in a second. The reason we
Why?
asked
No,
It's
he's.
in
I'm
your
going
car
to the
door.
point.
I can
He asked
explain
me
it.
what is it for, and I'm showing you what it's for.
What
You're
I've
telling
seen
me what it's
in the
for,
past.
and I told you
Listen.
it's not to go around and cause any damage. It's to fix my
Right,
car.
and I've asked you on numerous occasions
And
when
I've showed
did
you.
you do it and
I've
why did you
showed
keep
you.
it in your car door?
I've showed you what it's
Get it
for.
out of my face.
No, you get out of my. You're in my private
I'm not
space.
in your face
I'm
at
not
all.
in your face as well.
I'm gonna keep your phone back from my face, please.
Listen, you've got arm's length there. You're in my space.
Listen. We're asking
You're
about
joking,
any
do you know
sharp
that?
You're a
items.
joker.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
We're gonna have a
Eh?
reasonable chat.
I've
People
told
doing
him what
road
it's
rage.
for. I've
What
shown him
I've
what it's
seen in the
for.
past.
Yeah, well, that's
listen,
not me.
listen, you're not
I've
listening.
showed him what it's for. That
Let
is
me talk.
legitimately. That is legitimate.
That's fine. The
Right, and
reason
I've
we
showed
ask-
him what it's for,
the reason
and
we
he's
say
still
this-
going on.
The reason we say
Well,
this
that's not me.
is during road rage, someone could arm
that's
himself
not me.
instantly by grabbing
That's
a
not me.
screwdriver during a road rage.
That's
I'm
not
not
me.
saying I've never met you before. I don't know.
That's not me.
I don't know that, do I? Which is the
not
reason
me.
we look out for sharp items, sharp articles
Well,
in the
that's
car.
not me.
That could be instantly
not me.
accessible, which is like a screwdriver in
That's
your
not me.
pocket.
That's not me.
It's quite easily accessible if you have a road rage. You want to do something to anyone, you can
Well,
grab
that's not
yourself
me.
a screwdriver.
That's not me.
But people can do that. You understand
didn't drive a car
that?
at police officers in the past, no?
Eh?
You didn't drive a car, didn't get arrested for driving a car at police officers.
No, they lied. You had about 8
lied.
that's like, systematically lied.
Okay.
You know, that was just like actually ridiculous. That lie that they told, that was 2013. That was actually ridiculous, what they said. That's why I don't like police really, because they lie. Innit?
Okay.
You know, that's what you're trying to draw up. They all lied. About 8 of them went in and lied. Crown Court, can you believe it? Police lie, systematic. All of them said the same thing.
You tell the
Same thing.
truth all the time, don't you?
Oh, well, it's not. I can lie as much as I want. You're the law. You're supposed to tell the truth, right
I
or
am
wrong?
telling the truth, yeah.
No, you're not.
Mate,
If I get into court and
you're
lie,
the
it's
most
nothing.
argumentative
Sorry,
man I
that's
think I've
what the
spoken to
system
today
say.
so
You've been
far.
No, because you
arrested
said I was getting
numerous times
35
anyway,
miles per
so-
hour.
You
I
were.
was not,
You were going too fast
If you
down
were
that
straightforward, he was a
residential
bit more
street.
straight like you, well, I'd have more accepted
Because it's
that.
got nothing to do
No,
with
but
the
how
colour
can
of your
someone
skin.
go 35 miles per
Something to do
hour
with
over
the
speed
driving
hump?
Are you actually
license.
prepared to have a conversation, like a normal conversation? Right? London
Excuse
is made
me.
up. Because
Excuse me, Mr.
London?
Politician.
What is London
what's
made up
normal?
of?
No, tell me what the word normal means first to you.
Right.
Dictionary description.
It's nothing to do with dictionary.
No, you said, can I have a normal
Right,
conversation?
okay.
Give me a dictionary
I'm not going
description
to get a
of normal.
conversation now because you're too argumentative,
Well,
aren't
that's
you?
not even argumentative. You said I was driving
Okay.
at 35 miles per
Mate.
hour over speed humps,
Yeah.
and I disagree.
Okay.
Right, that's all.
Right, why was I having to travel at over 35, close to 40
Prove
to
it.
catch up with you?
Prove
How
it.
can I prove it?
Well, then there you go. I don't know what you're talking about. I said I
not.
wasn't, you said I was.
Okay.
And that's what the argument's based on.
All right, that's fine. Okay, no problem.
Have my license back, please.
Maybe we just get in the car and follow you again. Do the thing again. And we record
You're nice
you
looking.
on the camera.
Why are you a police officer? You could have been a model. You wasted your talent.
Happy?
Well, not really, but yeah.
I'm
Why-
not
why are you
I'm
happy?
not
You're
happy
not going
with
anywhere,
the
are we?
attitude.
Well, do you know what?
other than
You know
that.
what? Do you know what? Let me.
The second you
Eh?
started
Under the
with attitude.
I'm putting that in the boot.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
He's even controlling my keys, that one.
Well, because you're not reasonable, are you?
Eh?
You're not being reasonable. are you?
I think I was being very reasonable considering I was stopped for nothing.
You keep doing that, right?
You guys have a nice day.
As long as you folks keep making them bobbies do the walk of shame, I'll keep highlighting your channels. You guys keep sending me your videos to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them, we'll highlight your channels. Just because I'm out here in the States doesn't mean I don't appreciate all the work you guys are doing out in the UK. I absolutely love and appreciate you guys. Out here we have the First Amendment that basically mirrors our natural rights. In Canada they have what's called the Charter Rights. So wherever you are in different parts of the world, make sure you guys know your rights. And if you're allowed to record police, you should be doing that, folks. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.